Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums on area of circle. Here is our first example. Find the area of the following circles, given that radius is equal to 14 mm. Area of circle is pi r square. In the first example, pi is given as 22/7 into r square, that is 14 into 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, and we get 22 multiplied by 28. 28 2s are 56, carry forward 5, 28 2s are 56, and 5 is 61 millimeter square. It's an area, so you need square. Let's do B. In this case, pi is given as 3.14 multiplied by 5 into 5, that is 25. So 25 multiplied by 3.14. 25 4s are 100, 10 carry forward, 25 1s are 25, and 10 35, 5 3 carry forward, 25 3s are 75, and 3 78. 2 digits after decimal point, so here 2 digits after decimal point. Centimeter square, unit square. Let's do the next one. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. And pi is given as 22/7. Let's draw a rough diagram. We have the circular sheet of radius 4 cm, and from that a circle of 3 cm is removed, and we need to find the area of the remaining paper. So all this paper. Now, which means the area of remaining sheet is area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So we have this area minus this area remains this area. Now area of outer circle is pi into RO square, we'll call it, or that is 4 square, 4 cm, minus area of inner is pi into 3 square. If I take pi common, what I get is 4 square minus 3 square. So that is equal to pi, 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9, and pi, which is 22/7 multiplied by 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So the area is 22 centimeters square. We will learn an identity, how we can use that identity to solve such kind of sums when we have bigger numbers in next sum. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? Let's draw a rough diagram. This is a circular flower bed whose diameter is 66 meters, and this is a 4 meter path. Now if we see, if diameter is 66, what is the radius? Radius is going to be 33 meter. And if that radius is 33 and this path is 4 meter wide, what is the radius of the outer end of path? It is going to be 37 meter. So let's write this. The radius of flower bed, we'll call it Ri, equal to 33 meters. The radius of outer edge of the path, we'll call it Ro, that is equal to this 33 meter plus 4 meters. Which is 37 meters. Now we want to find the area of the path, and we know area of the path is area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Now area of the outer circle is pi into RO square, because that is the radius of outer circle, RO, this one, and minus area of the inner circle is RI square, and that gives me pi is common, so it is RO square minus RI square. Okay, now here we are going to talk about one identity. The identity which we have not learned, but it is very useful when we have to solve these sums. Hence, we are going to touch upon this identity. When we have a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. At this point in time, just remember this. If you solve this side, a into a is a square, a into minus b is minus ab, b into a is plus ab, and b minus b square, b is minus b square. Minus ab plus ab gets cancelled and remains is a square minus b square, which is this. So when we solve these, we get a square minus b square, and hence we can use the corollary that a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Now here we have RO square minus RI square, and so this will become RO plus RI multiplied by RO minus RI, and that is pi is 22 upon 7, RO plus RI, which is 37 plus 33, and RO minus RI is 37 minus 33. So it would be 22 upon 7 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 4. 7 ones are 7, 7 tens are 70, or 22 fours are 88. 88 into 10 is 880 meters square is the area. Now just observe how easy this has become. Otherwise we had to find 37's square, we have to find 33's square, so which are big numbers, and we have to subtract those big numbers. Instead, what we got is direct answer 33 plus 37 into 37 minus 33. A plus b, a minus b. This is applicable when we have to find the area of the ring. Please go through this example one more time to understand how we have done it. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meters square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meters. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? So we know the garden's area. From the garden's area, we can find the garden's radius. And if that radius is less than this, then this can cover our entire garden. So this is a sprinkler and this is a garden. And sprinkler has some radius of operation, so it can sprinkle water. Now if the sprinkler's radius is greater than the garden's radius, then we know that sprinkler can cover the entire garden. So let's first find the garden's radius. Area of garden is pi r square. and it is given to be 314 meters square. So 314 is equal to pi is 3.14 into r square, which gives us r square is equal to, this goes that side, divides 314 divided by 3.14. So r square is equal to 100, and therefore r is equal to 10 meters. Now we see the radius of the garden is less than the radius of sprinkler. And therefore sprinkler is sufficient to water the garden. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.